In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ColorPick Eyedropper to Chrome. This quick tutorial will show you how to find, install, and start using a reliable color picker right inside your browser, perfect for designers, developers, or anyone who wants to capture exact colors from a web page. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store by visiting chromewebstore.google.com. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions, and it's the safest place to install tools like this. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type ColorPick Eyedropper, then press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Click the one named ColorPick Eyedropper labeled under Developer Tools. This is the correct extension. It's a simple color picker that lets you sample any color on a web page and instantly copy its hex or RGB value, which is incredibly handy when matching brand colors, building websites, or creating graphics. Now install it. Click Add to Chrome, and when the confirmation pop-up appears, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and add it automatically. This only takes a few seconds. You'll see a brief confirmation once it's ready. To use it, click the extensions icon in the top right of Chrome, the little puzzle piece, then choose ColorPick Eyedropper from the list. Your cursor will turn into an eyedropper or crosshair. Move it over the page and you'll be able to target any pixel. Click the exact spot you want, and the color code will be copied for you to paste wherever you need it. Most people use the hex value for web work, while RGB is common in many design apps. If you need to exit the tool without selecting a color, pressing Escape usually cancels the picker. If you use it often, make it faster to access by pinning it. Click the puzzle piece again, find ColorPick Eyedropper in the list, and click the pin icon so it stays visible on your toolbar. From now on, you can open it with a single click. One important tip before we wrap up: only install extensions from the official Chrome Web Store. There are many similar looking color pickers out there, and not all are trustworthy. Always check that you're on chromewebstore.google.com and that you're choosing the correct ColorPick Eyedropper under Developer Tools. That's it. You're ready to pick precise colors from any web page and copy them in seconds.